Shamata. Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know that there is a time and place for everything. Once upon a time, there lived a washerman in a village. He possessed a thin donkey. The donkey used to work for the washerman and carry loads of clothes to the riverbank daily. The donkey was not satisfied with the food that was provided by the washerman. In the nights, he usually wandered in the fields nearby and ate the crops stealthily. One night, he met a jackal and made friends with him. Both of them went out in search of food. They found a field full of cucumbers and had them to their full. They were happy to find a nice place for their food and decided that they would come daily to eat cucumbers. Now, daily they came to the field to have cucumbers. Soon the donkey started looking healthy and fat. Once, after a tasty meal of cucumbers, the donkey was extremely happy. He was so happy that he got an intense desire to sing a song. He told the jackal that he was overwhelmed and wanted to express his happiness in a melodious song. The jackal immediately replied, "Don't be a fool. If we sing, the gods sleeping in and around this field will wake up and beat us black and blue with sticks." The donkey insisted on singing. The jackal again warned him not to do any foolish act. The donkey said, "You are a dull fellow. Singing makes one happy and healthy. No matter what comes, I will definitely sing a song." The jackal told him that his voice was not sweet. The donkey thought that jackal was jealous of him. The jackal once again warned him that if he would sing, the gods would come and reward him in the way might be that he would not like. But the donkey could not stop himself from singing. Seeing the donkey singing, Jackal said to the donkey, "Friend, wait for a minute. First, let me jump over to the other side of the fence for my safety." The jackal decided to wait outside the garden. On hearing a donkey braying in the field, the guard woke up from his sleep. He picked up his stick lying by his side and rushed out to beat him. The donkey was braying happily, unknown about the danger. The angry guard found the donkey and beat him so mercilessly that the donkey was physically incapacitated temporarily. Somehow, the donkey managed to drag himself out of the field to the waiting jackal. The jackal looked at the donkey and said in a sympathetic tone, "I am sorry to see you in this pathetic condition. I had already warned you, but you did not listen to my advice." The donkey realized his mistake and felt sorry for not listening to the good advice of jackal. Children, there is a time and place for everything is said. When someone is behaving in a way that you do not think is suitable for the situation they are in. Everything has got its own time. It means you cannot do all things at the same time. There is an appropriate and acceptable situation or scenario in which to do the things. Children, I know that we won't get it right every time and that making mistakes is a part of our learning and growth. But if we pause before we act, making sure our actions have purpose, are appropriate, are understood, contribute to success. Think before you act. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.